Hey friends, today we'll study how to get out from the Enang notification in Windows 11. So there are multiple methods and we need to dig deeper. So let's start. The first one is to disable the notification on Windows 11. So we get to the settings and then we get to the notification. So here we can see we can turn this on and off. Now we get to the second part of the video to disable it on application part. So as we can see, we can disable it via for app. So this app you don't have to get the notification, we can turn it off. Now we are moving to the third point, that is to disable the sound notification. So if we get to the here it plays sound, we can disable it from this menu. Now we are moving to the fourth part, to customize per app, as I have shown you already. This is per app notification. Now to disable notification on lock screen, we can disable it from this menu. Now as we can see, to check its banners, so these are the banners, so and we can show it like this. So also you can change its timing, for how much time the banners will be on your screen. So for this we get to visual effects, and here we can see that we have this time for 5 seconds, 7 seconds, normally 15 seconds. I like the notifications and its timing. Now to get off the taskbar manager notification, we get to the taskbar settings, and here we can see that we have these. We get to personalization and taskbar, and here we can see we have these buttons. So here we can see to show the pages, so we turned it on or off, and also we can select it. So share my window from taskbar, show pages, unread messages, we can click this and it won't be shown in the future. Now we are getting to the second last part of the video, to disable a focus assist. Basically the focus assist manages the notifications sent to the system. So I click on this show, normally I like to get the notification, so you have to select from these to only get the priority notification or alarms. So normally it is turned off, so I turn it on. We can select this one. Now we are moving towards the video and the last options. So in this we want to disable notification on Microsoft Edge. So we get to the settings, and then we get to the site cookies, and let me search. Now we are in the cookies, so now here we get to notification. So here we can see that I have enabled this to ask before sending recommended, quiet notification request, and also we can block per a website that to block or allow the notification of the sites. Now I am moving to the last part of the video, to get off the notification of the mail app. So let me search this mail app. So open it up, and here we get to its notification. So here we have selected to show notifications. Click on also sound and its subfolder. So I hope you have learned how to show notification of notification and Windows 11. Thank you for watching.